Hey everyone, I have the March Curls monthly mailer. It's yellow this month. Isn't that nice and bright and pretty? If you don't know Curls monthly, every month you get 5 curly hair products. Some of them are full sizes, trial sizes. It's great if you're trying to figure out what hair products work for you. If you're a product junkie, I am an affiliate. I have a discount code in my bio to subscribe and save some money, and I can help you out that way as well. They do 5 products curated, which is what this is, or they have a vault and you could pick your own products, which I think is awesome personalization as well. If you know kind of what ingredients you like, what kind of products you want to go for. Look how bright and cheery it is. It's been like the weather the past few days in New Jersey have been so nice and warm, and I've been loving it. And the weather's gonna drop again, which kind of sucks, but I've been enjoying it while it lasts. The yellow edit, new box, who dis. So we ship craft mailers to be eco-minded, but they've been damaged, so they saying that they switch boxes to yellow instead of pink, so it's warm, it's kind. So saying let's hope that it feels like sunshine, and it definitely did. So we opened it up, there's more yellow. I'm really loving it. It really does feel bright and a good mood, and this is a good box. This is like all full size in here. I think there's one that might be like a travel size, but wow, this is a good month. This is a real good month. So first you get the leather. You hear me? The letter. They always talk about a member, show you next month's box, and I'm just like, wow. Next month is a good box, you guys. We'll talk about this at the end, but I'm gonna tell you go subscribe now because holy crap, next month is good. Whoa. I got so excited that my my little stand just fell. All right, that's how excited I am for April, okay? Technical difficulty, and we're not even editing it out. Do you know why? Because I keep it real. So bear with me. The only thing I edit is I do speed it because Instagram Reels only lets me have 3 minutes, but wow, April. But we're in March, and March is really good too. So March, we have these Silka Satin. These are thick hair scrunchies, 3 times stronger plus forte. These are either silk or satin. These feel really soft, but who doesn't love a good silk or satin scrunchie? And I like what I feel inside, that it's gonna keep my hair in place. Amazing. Then we have this foam, and because I saw like what was gonna be in the box, I already went like online and like looked stuff up. So this is by Tea Tree, which is actually by Paul Mitchell, which I didn't realize. This is really cool. So this is a curl refresh foam. It is a foam purposely made for day 2, day 3 hair to refresh. This is day 2 hair, and I was at the beach yesterday and it was windy, so which is why it's not my best day 2 hair, but whatever. It's actually really soft. So we got Tea Tree Lavender Mint. Revives and enhances texture. It's vegan, of course. It's cruelty free, made without gluten, which is great. I've been having to eat gluten free for health reasons, so that's good that this is gluten free as well. Pretty good inky. I'm not gonna stare at it and waste a lot of time, but let's sniff. Smells like a spa. It smells like, when you read Tea Tree Lavender Mint, honestly, that's how it smells. You'd expect it herbal, but it's not sharp. You know what? This could go in dry day 2, day 3 hair. Let's go put it in some dry day 2 hair. Feels nice. Oh, it feels really nice. It feels really silky. Oh, I am liking this quite a bit actually. Wow. Focusing on the end. Wow. I like how this feels. Oh, I just dropped the letter. All right. So this is definitely going to be a longer video, guys. What are you going to do? If you watch me, thank you. But so of course it's going to settle, but I really like how it feels. It's not sticky, it's not tacky. Nice scent. So then those are 2 of the products. The last 3 products of this box are all from the same brand, and this is a brand called Jupiter, and they are scalp focused. I think they're if I'm not mistaken, when I was reading up on them, they're made by a dermatologist. So first we have the shampoo and the conditioner. So dry scalp care, hydrating shampoo, moisture restore technology, sulfate-free, color-safe, dermatologist tested, ultra-indulgent moisturizing cleanser that gently soothes and intensely hydrates, full size 8.5 ounces, with the matching conditioner, same size, deep moisturizing conditioner, velvety, deep penetrating conditioner for rehydrating the scalp, and strands from root to tip. Yeah, so the Inkies, I was looking at them. Unfortunately, with some sulfate-free shampoos, there is a sulfate-based cleanser that my scalp personally does not like. It's like a personal allergy, and the name of that is sodium C1416 olein sulfonate. So this does have that, so this will have to pass it along to a friend, which is unfortunate because I was excited to try it, but really awesome that they include full sizes, and I'm sure that these are amazing because they wouldn't be in the box if they weren't really good. But I am excited to try this. So this is the Dry Scalp Care Renewing Scalp Moisturizer. I've never used a scalp moisturizer before. So this is a rich, fragrance-free scalp moisturizer delivering weightless hydration and rejuvenation. I think it's really awesome that this is fragrance-free because it's going directly on the scalp. And I do have a sensitive scalp, and putting fragrance directly on there could be very irritating. So that's amazing. So this is balance and normalizing pH, prevent against environmental aggressors. That makes me assume that the thing is full of antioxidants, improving scalp hydration. So basically, if my scalp's feeling tight, if it's bothersome, especially the weather's gonna drop. It was like 70 degrees today, and it's gonna like drop to like 28 degrees tomorrow night. Like, what is going on? But there's glycerin in here, there's humectants, there's all sorts of stuff. I want to see what the applicator looks like actually. Oh, this is really cool. This is like a pointed nozzle, so you can actually get right in wherever your scalp's bothering you. Super excited to try this. But yeah, so March, really great month, like good size products. But April, I'm telling you guys, go to the link in my bio. I will message you the link. April's curated box is really good. I'm really actually excited. First off, there's a full-size Weedad mask. I love Weedad. Weedad's one of my favorite curly brands, but they just released a new intensive repair mask. I haven't tried it yet. The full size is in here. So, oh my god, amazing. There is a Rizzo curl product in here. It's like a styling wand. And then this brand called N Love, which there were 2 products in a prior Curls Monthly box that I've been loving. It was like a leave-in conditioner and a foam. There's 2 more products by that brand, so I'm really excited to try those as well. Oh, it's a different leave-in conditioner for the brand, and 100% Botana oil. That's amazing. I love Botana oil. I really do. And then Olaplex #9 Nourishing Hair Serum, and I love all. Like, this is a real good box. So there we go. Sorry this was a little bit longer. Hopefully you liked my yapping and my awkwardness. I mean, I am Diane. I am awkward. It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.